Welcome to the Great North Gardener. Right then, let's get you growing. This is your super simple, no-fuss how-to guide. It's all about the easiest seeds you can possibly grow. Leafy greens, climbers, and root veg. Perfect if you're a complete beginner with a garden or just a balcony. We'll keep it simple. What to plant, light, water, and when to harvest. Stick with me, and by the end you'll be ready to sow and watch your first crops thrive. Alright, let's kick things off with the leafy legends. Best place to start, fast, forgiving, perfect for small spaces. Window boxes, pots, or a tiny raised bed, spot on. Spinach, cool weather powerhouse. Sow about 1 centimeter deep, a few centimeters apart. Keep soil moist, give partial sun or full if it's not scorching. Harvest outer leaves, cut and come again for weeks of salads. Lettuce, gentle and quick, loads of types to try. Sprinkle on top, press lightly, don't bury deep, keep evenly moist. Mix of sun and shade avoids bitterness in summer heat. Harvest young tender leaves for best flavor. Rocket, speedy, peppery, sow thinly, keep moist, pick often to delay bolting. Now for the climbers, the space-saving heroes. They grow up canes, trellises, or nets, look cracking as a living green wall. 3 easy winners: peas, runner beans, and cucumbers. Peas love a small trellis or even a few twigs. Sow 2 to 3 centimeters deep. Spring temps suit them. Water the soil, not leaves, to dodge mildew. Pick pods plump but tender, sweet as you like. Runner beans sprint once frost has passed. Use a sturdy frame. Sow 3 to 5 centimeters deep, give warmth and sunshine. Water well in dry spells. The more you pick, the more you get. Choose compact or climbing types and train them up a net. Start in pots if it's chilly. Plant out when properly warm. Let's get down to earth with root veg, hidden gems underground. That harvest moment feels like digging up treasure. We'll start with carrots, radishes, and beets. Fantastic for beginners, even in deep pots. Key tip: loose, stone-free soil, or you'll get forked roots. Sow very thinly, cover with a fine layer, water gently with a rose. Thin as they grow so each carrot can swell. Pull when the size suits you. Baby carrots are extra sweet. Need speed. Radishes can be ready in as little as 3 weeks. Sow in thin lines. Keep soil evenly moist to avoid splitting. Pick early for crunch. Leave too long and they turn hot. Beet seeds are clusters, thin to 1 plant each. Sun and steady water help them swell. Harvest around golf ball size. Nail these 3 and you're more than halfway there. In containers, use a quality all-purpose potting mix. In beds, add compost and well-rotted manure for nutrients and structure. For roots, keep soil loose and stone-free. Light is fuel. Beans and cucumbers want 6 hours plus of direct sun. Greens like some shade in peak heat to prevent bolting. Watering rule: check the soil first. If it's dry at 2 centimeters, water. Water in the morning, aim at the base, and keep leaves dry to avoid disease. Consistent moisture beats soak and starve every time. Get the basics right, and everything else gets easier. First up, overcrowding. Loads of seeds equals weak, spindly plants. Fix: thin after true leaves, follow packet spacing, be brave. Next, watering. Do the finger test before you pour. Get into a daily morning check, little and often if needed. Leggy, pale, floppy? Move to a sunnier spot or pick shade-tolerant crops. Pests: pick slugs and snails by hand or use copper tape on pots. Aphids: a strong jet of water often sorts them. Keep an eye out each day and you'll catch problems before they snowball. You don't need a shed full of kit, just a small starter set. Trowel, watering can with a rose, gloves, and plant labels. For climbers, add canes, string, or a basic net. With greens, pick young, and often to keep them coming. Store in a bag in the fridge for a few days' freshness. Roots, harvest when the size suits. Don't leave so long they lose sweetness. Brush off soil and keep cool and dark. Pick beans regularly, they should snap cleanly. Fresh peas? Eat straight away. So sweet. Start with a pot of lettuce or a row of radishes. You'll learn loads and eat better for it. Tell us what you think in the comments and like and subscribe.